students don't always know how to take good notes. And this can be detrimental to their learning and success in a course. Cued notes provide students with a simple structure that promotes good note-taking. In cued notes, students use a template to record special cues and associated notes during a lecture. Here's how it works. First, review your lecture and identify key chunks of information. For each chunk, create a related cue, like a symbol, keyword, or question. Next, create a cued notes template to share with students. Samples are available in our free downloads. Begin your lecture and ask students to record cues you provide in the left-hand column of their notes. Then, students record the main ideas corresponding with the cue in the right-hand column. Proceed with the lecture, alternating cues and lecture content. Finally, ask students to provide a summary of the full lecture at the bottom of their notes, either in class or as homework. To vary this technique, instead of supplying the cues yourself, have students create their own. This variation is referred to as Cornell Notes. Note-taking helps students concentrate, gain a deeper understanding of the lecture, and better prepare for exams. Asking students to use cued notes can prompt better study practices and improve learning outcomes. Here at the Patricia Cross Academy, we encourage you to try cued notes in your class. Download our free support materials and step-by-step instructions to get started.